What are the days of the week? The week has 7 days, starting from Sunday and ending on Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The 7 days of the week and their pronunciation. Sunday. Sunday is a family day. Monday. I go to school on Monday. Tuesday. We have a meeting on Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Thursday. We play soccer on Thursday. Friday. Friday is my favorite day. Saturday. We relax on Saturday. Weekdays versus weekends. Weekdays, Sunday through Thursday. These are work and school days for most people. Weekend, Friday and Saturday. Time to relax, have fun, or spend time with family. Yesterday. The day before today, if today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. Today. Today the current day. If today is Wednesday, we say, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow. Tomorrow the next day. If today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday.